It's me, Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm so excited, you guys, to share with you formally this new wig by HerGivenHair. I posted a video last week doing my updated makeup routine, and I kind of featured this unit in the video because I was wearing it. And you guys know I've been recently talking about possibly dyeing the ends of my hair because I just want to do something different, and I think that would be the less damaging option that I have as opposed to like dyeing my whole head or getting highlights. And so when this opportunity came about to try out HerGivenHair's upgraded headband wig, which is also an ombre type of look, I was like, this is perfect. I can actually see myself like with lightened ends. It's so subtle, but it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get into this unit with you all. This is HerGivenHair's Blissful Touch Sure Fit Headband Wig, and what I'm seeing on the website is version 3.0. My understanding is that they upgraded their headband wig. Some of the upgrades for this unit is that it uses a new fabric for a softer, more breathable and durable experience. Underneath the actual headband is kind of like a built-in headband for the unit, so I believe that's the fabric that they're talking about. Another upgrade is that they're now using an adjustable band that's small head friendly, and I definitely need this feature because there have been some HerGivenHair units that have fit a little loose on my head, and I haven't been 100% sure whether the cap was just made a little larger or if they sent me by accident like the larger size cap. I always request the small because I have a smaller head, but with this unit I have zero issues with like it feeling too big. Not only does it have the adjustable band in the back, hopefully you can see that, so it has the band, but it also has a drawstring. Like, can you guys see that? It also has a drawstring. So I'm using both features, and when I tell you the fit is just like perfect, this wig is not moving, like it's not coming off my head unless somebody like grabbed it. Another upgrade is that they're implementing a stretchy band that's easier to replace, extending the product's lifespan. So this band right here, it is very stretchy. If I stretch it like this, you guys can see that. I wouldn't stretch it too much because I don't want to like loosen the band, but I think it's a good stretch. Like, it's not too stretchy where it comes down super long or anything. It's like stretchy enough. And then the last upgrade is that there's an elimination of Velcro to prevent hair pulling. So I actually wanted to show you guys the last headband wig because I realized that they sent it to me a few years ago, but I actually have the past version. Is the unit. This is the original. So you can see it has the stretchy fabric, but when you get to this part of the wig, like the back, there's no drawstring on it. Okay, you do have like this little strap which helps to make it more secure, but I prefer the band. I think since it's like thicker and it stretches more, it just adheres better to your head as opposed to this, which is like thinner and kind of like harder to work with. And then lastly, what they were talking about with the Velcro, the band has Velcro, and I don't remember like off the top of my head if this was an issue when I was installing the wig, but you could just imagine that if you're constantly using the Velcro, your natural hair might get caught in there, so it's not the like best, most healthy option for your hair. So I definitely prefer having both the elastic band and also the drawstring. It just feels a lot more secure and also a safer option. This is what the unit looked like. Very pretty. This was also like an ombre, but I feel like the ombre, I don't know, I feel like the color was a little bit lighter on this one as opposed to this unit. The ombre seems a bit more subtle, so I prefer this color actually as opposed to this. This is giving me like Goldilocks in a way, not in a bad way, but it's just like lighter and more auburn. This is more like brown. Let me know what you guys think. I don't really feel like I have a lot to talk about in terms of installation. I haven't actually washed this unit. Funny thing though, it smells good. Typically with HerGivenHair wigs, like once I get it, I'm like, okay, let me wash it, like, you know, just clean it. But because this is so easy to install, it's just like you can throw it on and go and be done with it. And so like literally this is straight out of the packaging. This is a great option because underneath this I'm actually pre-pooing. Literally, I have on a shower cap, my wig cap, and then the wig. So that just goes to show you could even be pre-pooing underneath this unit, deep conditioning, like whatever you want to do, but yet you still look good. You look well put together even though your natural hair is like being treated underneath. So absolutely love this unit, highly recommend it. That is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.